Hello everyone, this is Robert Mansour. I wanted to make a brief video today about how to pay for your medical care when you're involved in an automobile accident. This is a very important issue and you cannot enter into it lightly. The first thing that I do when I contact a client or when they talk to me is I say, okay, if I take this case, we have to decide how are we going to pay for your medical care. There are several options. If you have health insurance, that might be one way to do it. Have your health insurance pay for the medical care. Keep in mind that in most cases, your health care insurance company will have a right to be reimbursed if you recover money from the responsible party. So if your health insurance company pays out $2,000 for your care and you recover $5,000 from the responsible party, you may have to repay your health insurance company if that is the case. And that holds true for Medicare, Medi-Cal, and most of the major health insurance companies out there. If you have medical payments coverage under your automobile policy, you might also be able to use that. Medical payments coverage is like having health insurance attached to your auto insurance policy. Usual policy amounts are $2,000, $5,000. I have seen some that are $25,000. It all depends on what you have, if you have it available. The nice thing is that you can use that money to pay for your health care in many cases. Now here's the thing. If your auto insurance company pays based on that provision, they have a right to reimbursement as well. And you have to make sure you take care of them at the end of your case. Another thing you can do is proceed on a lien basis. L-I-E-N, lien. What does that mean? That means that if you don't have health insurance and you don't have medical payments coverage, you might be able to get care from certain doctors who specialize in personal injury matters. Or they don't specialize, but they know how to do a personal injury case. They know how to handle one. And they accept them. But here's the thing. A lien means you're going to sign a form that promises to pay the doctor regardless of the outcome of your matter. So you can't just tell the doctor, well, I didn't win and I lost the case, or I decided not to pursue it, so I don't want to pay you anymore. The doctor is not going to be very happy with that, nor is the physical therapist or the chiropractor or anybody that you hire on a lien basis. When you proceed on a lien, the doctor is basically fronting his or her services to you with the expectation that you're going to pay them out of the recovery of your case. But what you may not realize is that you, in most cases, owe the doctor regardless of the outcome of your case. Contrast that with your health insurance company and your medical payments coverage on your auto policy. In those cases, yes, you have to pay them back, but only if you recover money from the other party. If you lose or you don't recover any money from the other party, you don't have to pay them back. Versus going on a lien, which is essentially a tab at the doctor's office, and having everything done that way, in which case you have to pay those healthcare providers regardless of the outcome of your matter. So you have to be very careful with how you proceed and how you choose to have those things paid for. And every case is different. In some cases it makes sense to go one path, and in some cases it might make sense to go a different path. That's one of the issues that I talk about with my clients. Which is the least financially dangerous path for them to go down? I hope you found this video helpful. I appreciate it very much that you took the time to watch it. Feel free to visit my website, valencialawyer.com, for lots more educational information about personal injury cases. Thank you.